This is ULMA Digital. Our digital services will help you optimize your productivity. UPC 4.0 is the control platform developed by ULMA, which, as well as being easy to use, includes a wide range of functions aimed at improving the efficiency of your machines. The features of UPC 4.0 make it easier to use the machines and their peripherals, avoiding duplicate controls and screens. The UPC 4.0 control features remote access as standard, allowing safe and remote assistance, connection to your management systems and data integration with your production software. Our goal is to help you improve your productivity. Therefore, the HMI allows you to carry out comprehensive monitoring of the parameters that affect it. Its maintenance module will help you plan and manage the tasks that need to be carried out. Our customer portal, My ULMA, is also available for all customers. It is an online platform designed with a user-friendly environment to facilitate the improvement and efficiency of your machine. It has numerous reports that will allow you to analyze key productivity indicators in detail and also with historical data. The Spare Parts Finder will help you locate and identify parts in a completely intuitive way, so you can add them to a purchase order, avoiding delays and unnecessary paperwork. ULMA Digital, solutions for smart factory.